computer problems, but thanks for logging on and checking if you need any questions. We'll just get right to it here. Question 224. If you remember the lesson from Wednesday where we used the tiles, or Thursday, and we went over it here on Friday, um, this is the one green triangle, all right? So if that has an area of 1, what is the area of this larger green triangle? So if you're having trouble, maybe you want to cut this into the small green triangles. And I'm doing my best with my tool here. And there you go. That should answer that question for you right there. Then you have to apply that if you have the red trapezoid. How many of those green triangles would be in that? Now, remember, it has an area of 1 square inch, and that didn't do a good job at circling that. Um, Again, also refer to the CPM homework help if you're having trouble there. I believe they probably have tiles you can play around on that. Again, remember to label your answers. So for this one, you definitely gonna want to go centimeters squared, just like we talked to you on Friday. Moving on to the next one, find the area of this shape. Now, again, look, it's not a perfect rectangle. We got this little boot connected to it. Do what you need to do to find the area. Count it, multiply it. Again, don't forget to label. That should take you about 2 seconds there. Okay, moving on to the next question. Pretty simple. If I can zoom out, up, lost it. All right, the next question here, multiple choice. Again, use common sense. Circle the one you would use to measure the desk. And again, explain how you know, just right there. I would choose this one because blank, 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 blank. All right, moving on to the back. I can open it up here. Sorry, I got my other marks on there. Let's see if we can erase those. A couple there, a couple there. Okay, so going on, the stem and leaf plot, that has the key for you right there. Refer to the key. They've already done 2 of them for you, I believe, because I see a 12 and I see 17. So maybe you want to just like strike through 12 if you haven't, strike through 17 so you know you've already used those. Moving on, I would just go in order because stem and leaf plots are supposed to go in logical order, and I'm looking for any 20s. So I look through all my numbers here and I see 23 is my only 20s. So I'll mark it off and I'll put my, if I can draw it here, my best 23. Then you move on to your 30s. I look through, I see just 130, which is 34. So then I would put my 4 along the 3. So I have 34. Do the same, eliminate, make sure you put them in order, and you got your stem and leaf plot. Last but not least, we have our adding and subtracting decimals. Again, it says show your work. Do not use a calculator. So I would, again, remember you have to line up your decimals. So let's see if I can get a decent drawing on this one. 9.67. Then we have 49.7. And then I have 5.22. Now that's pretty bad because this program's not working with me today. But again, if you have spaces, add a 0, add a 0, add a 0. Just makes it a lot easier to line up your digits so you don't get confused. And then again, remember, you're lining up your decimal, so your decimal and your answer is going to go right there. So again, check your work. You can check your work with a calculator. That's fine. Just make sure you line up your decimals and show your work. So that's it. Hopefully you had no trouble with this tonight. See you on Monday.